lithini elami ngamadlanga commission? Elami lithi ngemadlanga commission noma singavala njengamanje because immission ifailile yemadlanga commission. Yini umsebenzi wama-commission? Ama-commissions are created to protect and implicate ama-politicians. So uma bengazwani nawe they implicate you, if bazwana nawe they protect you. Bekuyini ke umsebenzi wemadlanga commission? Imadlanga commission ukuze yenziwe was to protect uSenzo Mchunu. Why befanele protect uSenzo Mchunu? It's because upresident waze in advance ukuthi uSenzo Mchunu ufuna ukuvala i-PKTT. Uma etshela uNational Commissioner wamziba wangayiqisa qakala leyo wavesana waphuma kuyena. So now wadedelwa ibhomu sededelwa uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Uma dedelwa ibhomu kwasheka kwasamazama wonke iSouth Africa kwaze kwanyakaza upresident lapha khona wathi wow ngizokwenza kanjani? No, angivasane ngenze imadlanga commission ukuze ngizokwazi uthini to buy time and protect uSenzo Mchunu because bengazi phela lento eyenzakala laphana. It's only that mina angaze ngize nguthathe action. So now why ngithi ke manje imission ifailile? It's because if ubheka laphana eParliament kune ad hoc committee njengamanje udedelwa amanye amabhomu thinteka amagama amakhulu laphana obonayo ukuthi kusekhona ama-investigation asezokwenzeka, even though mina ngazi nanokuthi ke yona ke i-ad hoc committee imithola ama-fundings izokwenzana angazi lutho but engikwazi ukuthi ka-president vele imadlanga vele bengezi ukwenza lutho, even though izospenda imali enkulu but bengezi ukwenza lutho ekugcineni because into ezogcina ihanjiswe kuyena vele uCyril Ramaphosa. What if he implicated? Ngeke vele enze lutho because naye mhlasimpe uzothola ukuthi implicatekile okanye abantu aba-related kuyena ba-implicatekile, ibona lento le. So sidluleke lapho. So now njengoba kunale ad hoc committee uyabona ukuthi ezinye izinto seyiphushwa yi-ad hoc committee okusho ukuthi manje vele imadlanga commission noma singaqhubeka yenze ekwenzayo, but now we are focusing with-ad hoc committee because yona siyitrusta then imadlanga commission. Okunye-ke okwesibili okwenza ukuthi fail uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi akadlali uyabopha njengamanje umuthi alalele ad hoc committee uyasho ukuthi no mina ngivulile amacala mina and ngizobabopha abantu, yibona into le, and akabheki akalokhu ecasha ngehlathi uyasho ukuthi ngizobabopha abantu. Remember ukuthi phela njengamanje abantu ababoshiwe mhlasimpe omunye uzothi siyababona abantu ababoshiwe but laba bathintwa nje kusathintwa. No, it's because uchazeleke lapha Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi njengoba sibambe laba phela sibabambe ngamacala which are not amacala ama-drugs, amacala amakhulu kakhulu abopha laba abantu abathintekayo icala lama-drugs. Why? Because uma ubheka ukubulawa kwalaba bantu it's because izinto eziphathelene nawo ama-drugs, ukurobhana kuma-drugs and then bagcine sebebulalana kwenzeka zonke lezo zinto lezo ibali yama-drugs. But manje uma beboshwa laba ababoshiwe ababoshiwe lawa ama-drugs and njengamanje uthi uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi sifike sibabambe sibagcine ejele and then bese senze njani siya-investigate. Uma sesiqedile i-investigation sizobuya nabo bonke, yabona nto leyo because investigation vele ibheke kuma-drugs, ifocus yabo ikuma-drugs kulama cases ama-drugs lawa ababhanqa bonke njengoba benjalo and uthi uzobuya nabo bephila uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So baningi bafethu abantu abasazo ejele, even nalabo bathembile wena baya phakathi ejele bafethu kusazoshuba and uthi nje ngizobabopha akajiki. So ke just imagine imadlanga commission iyaqhubeka lapha Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uyababopha. Abanye mhlawumbe uzobabamba khona lapha kumadlanga commission bethi beqeda nje ukuthi bepresente isitori sabo lapha kumadlanga commission zibe ibakhalela ebabahudula njalo ibibahudula lento yaMkhwanazi yobagaxa phakathi ejele. Ayihleka ayithi insi mission failed kanjalo imission yelento yemadlanga commission ayisa protect umuntu.